Hello guys, and welcome to another video. But today it's just a really small one, doing a pack opening. Just a miniature one because we have got a special pack. So start with the premium pack. Oh, we don't get. We start with company, not the best. Got Enzonzi. Right, here's another premium pack. Come on, team of the year, team of the year. Oh, no, we get Pedro. Got Pedro. It's not too bad. Right, here's the special pack. Here is the special pack. Oh, an inform. Inform. Okay. Yes, it's kind of good, isn't it? Yeah. Not too good. So we'll see you. Make sure you check out all the videos. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.